touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told that lie.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Guys, welcome back. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I will be installing this wig right here that I just got from Yolissa Hair. I'm gonna go ahead and install her on camera for you guys, show you guys how I achieve these luscious curls in less than 10 minutes. And yeah, let's get into it. They do send your wig in this cute little box right here, and I do like to show you guys everything that comes with your wig. So on the inside we have the wig, and they also send you a bunch of free stuff with your unit as well, which I really like. So you get a bonnet. They also send you some HD lace caps, a melt band. You get a bag to put your wig in, and a edge brush and a scrunchie. So your wig does come pre-plugged. As you guys can see, the hairline is so beautiful. It is laid. This is what the wig is looking like. Look how full that hair is, you guys. I'm not exactly sure what density. It looks like a 250 density. It felt like it at least. But the hair is super full and thick. I really like that. This is what the inside of your wig looks like. It does come with the comb and an extra elastic band on the inside also for extra security. And really quickly, I had to show you guys what this wig was looking like after I installed it. Like, do you guys see the way that this wig is full and thick? And the hairline is really the star of the show here. I did not need any baby hairs, and it just laid so flat and nice. Absolutely love it. So this is what the hairline is looking like up close. And something that I really like on this particular unit is the fact that I did not need to apply any foundation or any lace tint or anything at all to the lace to make it like look like scalp. And I usually don't ever do like a ball cap method unless I'm like gluing my wigs down. But with their lace that they use, it was definitely giving scalp. Like, you cannot tell that I did not have a ball cap on this. So I really like that. Like I said, I'm not too sure if they bleached the knots or not though, but I would assume that they did just based on the way that the wig was laying. Now I'm just pulling the wig back out of my face. That way I can go ahead and cut off the excess lace around the air top areas. Then I'm going in with my Evan Lace spray. This is the water resistant sports edition. This one does have a maximum hold. And this one is my favorite out of all the lace sprays that they have. I know the black one was my girl, but since I started using this one, I have not looked back. This one, my wig would be on for a whole week straight before I have to take it off. And I did go on with 2 layers, and you guys, it's been 3 days now since I applied my wig. It's currently still onto my head. So yes, this lace spray right here is the truth. After my wig is secure, then I'm just going in and cutting off all that excess lace, making sure that everything is properly secured. Then I'm taking my, this is my contour powder, but I'm only applying this like to the edge of the lace. I'm not really applying this directly onto the lace. I'm just trying to like blend out my concealer and the lace together. Not my concealer, but like my makeup, and just to get rid of that white cast. So that's why I'm applying this product right here. Then I'm just taking my melt band and I'm gonna let that sit for a good, I would say 5 minutes, and then remove it. This is what the hairline is looking like now that I've removed the band. As you guys can see, she is melted. It's definitely giving scalp. My wig is secured onto my head, and it just looks so natural. The lace looks really good. And I cannot get over this hair. Now, you definitely can wear this wig as it is, or you can throw some products in the hair and achieve that wet look. Again, it is a WATERWAVE unit, so I think the wet look always looks best. Right here, I'm just playing around in the hair, showing you guys that you can do a lot of different things with this unit. You can do a half up, half down. You can do a ponytail. The lace is bomb, so you can get away with a lot with this unit. The hair itself was surprisingly really soft, and like I said, I have been wearing the wig for 3 days now, and I have gotten very minimal tangling. The shedding is still to a certain extent, but I'm surprised. For curly hair, I've been sleeping in a bonnet obviously, but I've woken up to 0 tangling, you guys. Like, the hair does not tangle whatsoever, which I'm really shocked about, because I don't think I've really had any curly hair that does not tangle while you sleep on the hair. So the hair is definitely some really good quality hair, I must say, and I'm loving it. You guys, so this is what the wig is looking like now that I'm all done with installing her. She is a bomb. It's given a vacay ready, and my birthday is coming up. We are heading somewhere tropical, so this wig came just in time. It looks so bomb. The curls are amazing. It's their 13x4 WATERWAVE HD lace unit. It is so gorgeous. The curls are really bomb and nice. They're not too tight, but they're not too loose, which I'm absolutely loving. The hair is super soft, and I also love how thick it is. As you guys saw when I just took out the package, it was like super full, very nice. But now I did go ahead and add some water and some mousse to the hair just to like define the curls a little bit more and to tame those frizz, and it just looks so natural. I'm loving the curls. It feels so good. So far I'm getting like a tiny bit of shedding, just like a few strands at a time is coming out when I run my hands through the hair, but nothing too crazy. Of course, it's curly hair. You guys know that curly hair do tend to shed a lot more than other textures, so it is to be expected to get some shedding, but nothing too crazy right now. It's their HD lace, and as you guys can see, my lace is melted, like super melted. The lace is also super fine, so it's super easy to get like a very natural look with it. The lace does come pre-plucked for you, and honestly, this is one of like the best HD lace I've had in a while. It's just giving scalp, and I really like that. I like my lace to look natural. If you're new here, I'm not too big on baby hairs. I love like a clean hairline, a natural look. So this is just perfect for me. I love the no baby hairs. I just want it to look like scalp. That's all I want my hairline to look like, and this is definitely giving that. Also, I did get this wig in a 24-inch. It is pretty long. I would say that it's true to length. But yeah, that is pretty much it on this wig. They also have their Black Friday sale coming up, which I highly suggest that you guys take advantage of. They're having a huge sale. This wig will be discounted. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the hair. If I do have a discount code, that will be linked down below as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. If you are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button so you would not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.